Finally, the day and the moment of Papa's 60th birthday celebration has come. We have just left the hotel and we are going for preparations. We have taken our clothes separately so that we can go and get ready there because the party starts at 2:30, but we need the preparations to be. But before getting into any of that, I would like to thank everyone who came to our new channel's Instagram account, the Manochas, to watch these stories and support us in our endeavors and be a part of our family celebrations. Mami? Finally, the day and the moment of Papa's 60th birthday celebration has come. We have just left the hotel and we are going for preparations. We have taken our clothes separately so that we can go and get ready there because the party starts at 2:30, but we need the preparations to be.
One time outside.
Yeah, so we should have this on our engagement.
Absolutely.
This is the house that we have prepared. Somewhat basic cleaning has been done, as you must have seen in the previous video. Now we are just bringing all the stuff inside so that we can get the final stuff that we have to. I will be doing most of the stories today because Madam Beauchamp is the director of operations here and she really doesn't really have any time for behind the scenes stuff right now, as you can see. And because it's going to be very sunny throughout the day and I forgot my sunscreen back home, so we stopped at pharmacy very quickly to grab one. Do you think this is good?
Yeah, but it's not this one. This one is in sale.
Okay. Whichever is in sale.
$12.99.
Instead of $18.99.
Continuez à scanner votre carte PC Optimum aux prochains articles. Lorsque vous avez terminé,
तो machine भी French बोलती है.
maintenant.
Ice. This is just one. We have 4 more inside the car. These guys know how to have fun. Now we are trying to, organize the stuff and bring whatever is required outside. All the balloons have been put here for now because they cannot be left outside in sun unless they are ready to be put out as decoration. Refrigerator is being cleaned and all the stuff that needs to be refrigerated is going to be stuffed inside. Ice box is almost ready. I think we did a mistake with getting a little less ice than we were supposed to, so I'll be going to get more and we'll put all these beer and drinks inside right now. Oh, sangria. So that it cools faster. Now we have started setting up the chairs and everything, and we need to put some tablecloth here. Mummy is also sitting here on inspection, observing if everything is being done as per the right standards or no. There, we still need to put the tablecloth. All these things are being set up, as you can see. Just by putting the cloth itself, it looks so different and neat and clean as compared to that one. And Mataji? So, Mummy, you have always seen English parties or French parties in movies. Today, you are going to be a part of an English party.
English party.
All French Canadian people coming. Now I'm working on the ice arrangement. And this is my favorite part. Hold on. Oh! This is a very satisfying sound. Yeah. Satisfaction doesn't come easy. Three more to go. Mummy, sound of satisfaction. Let's go.
Part of the setup is finally done. Now I'm just going back inside to get the balloon, but I'm feeling better already.
Yeah, all the chairs and everything is set, but the most complicated part is you still need to get ready.
No, that will be quick.
Yeah? Now it's time for us to take the big balloon and we need to put it there in an arc format as Madame Beauchamp suggested. Everything else seems ready, it's just the balloon, and then we need to quickly get ready ourselves also. It's a big one, as you can see. I think I should be trying these things more often. I have always wanted to color my hair and see what they would look like. Dolce, I don't really look that bad with purple, no? You neither.
Oh wow! I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. We should try it sometime.
Dental floss.
Oh. You're using what?
Dental floss.
Yay.
So it doesn't show.
Okay.
It's very thin.
Nice. I like
So
it.
you can use.
Finally, I have changed the clothes. This is the shirt. Disclaimer, I have not bought it. Madame Beauchamp had bought it for me. And Mummy is also... Oh, Mummy white and golden. What a combination. Mummy looking like Indian movie star Rajkumar. Anything that is missing is only the white shoes. If Mummy had white shoes, she would look female version of Rajkumar. Hey, Johnny. Activate a click.
Activate a cloche.
Press subscribe button, bell icon. On YouTube, obviously. This is Instagram. Please follow. Please follow. Follow, s'il vous plaît.
S'il vous plaît.
And almost everybody has arrived, and as you can see, Sandra is busy attending all the guests right now. So we're just waiting for Papa to arrive from here. He's gonna be here in about 30 minutes while everybody chillax, take some drinks, get some food. We were not able to shoot much, but as you can see, the party is almost winding up. Everybody is tired. It's just time for the coffee.
Est-ce que ça fonctionne? Oui, ça fonctionne.
Ça a marché.
T'as pas été capable?
Non, c'est sûr, ce serait pas le moment. Oh, c'est juste de chanter.
Si ça respire trop, là, toi, ta voix change trop, mais non,
That's a bunch
One, two.
you know.
It's about midnight now.
Pas moi, non. Oh, non, 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 non.
Winding up?
Time to go to sleep.
Yes. Everybody is being so helpful, no? This is all the leftover that we have because a lot of people brought their own stuff as well. Just making a story.
Sorry, baby. I thought you were talking to me.
No, talking to everyone.